So this is what's left of garden. I think this one was one closest to the house. With everything going on this year, it got kind of let go. This is what this is an idea of what depression looks like. You can see I actually still have some tomatoes growing, but look where they're growing. I'm out here now with this, an old-fashioned backer stick I bought at an antique store. Trying to get some of the big stuff cut down so I can mow through here and hopefully get it cleaned up. What? Are you? Good job. Here's what's left of the corn that the storms and the rain and the wind blew over. But it's not a total loss. There may be enough here for a fall decoration for the porch. God bless my youngin'. Okay, so it got too dark to show the progress of what we started, but we got this far. Was even able to find raised beds. A mess.